We're going to look at this gun pack right here, man. McFarlane Toys Deluxe Accessory Pack. I know for a while there that, you know, no guns or anything came with the 7-inch line for the DC Multiverse, but you can always find different ways to get some guns to put, you know, switch out some things and for different characters or different bad guys. But the only other pack I had in the past was Action Force. It's a pretty cool pack. I'll show maybe a couple of them here in a minute, but it came with the Charlie pack, which is really cool. But I think this more suits the 6-inch line, but it can get away with the 7-inch line. But with McFarlane Toys, he definitely hit the market with some of these. There's a couple different packs, I believe. But this here is basically, I know it's going to fit the 7-inch. We're going to find out. But anyway, let's get into it first, see what it looks like, and check these guns out, man. Can't have enough guns. Okay, out of the clam pack, it comes with a nice clam pack, the clam shell that comes on top, and they're molded nicely inside the pack. But before we get to that, my daughter got me this. My son got me some badass brushes for when I'm doing some painting. And this big thing right here, my other son got me a badass socket set, blowing it up. That way you can keep all your tools in one spot. And to work on my diabetes, my daughter got me a whole bunch of candy. Oh, I love some candy. I love candy. Now when it comes to a gun pack, I won't take too long to go through it, but I will do some, one fell out. I will do some poses with some figures just to see if they fit, how well they fit. This is kind of small. This is, I don't know, this is probably for a smaller scale, but I don't know. I think it's one half scale basically all the way around. But you have the space guns. That's really cool. I like this one. I have an idea to give somebody this one here in a second. The minigun is probably my favorite from them, all of them in here. Let's see how this works out. This minigun is awesome. You can't, I mean, you can't go wrong with a minigun. I guess this goes up in here. Not 100% sure how. Oh, I see. It just fits, snaps together. Take the smaller edge to the smaller side, and it fits awesome. This is by far my favorite in this pack right here. But I tell you, this is going to be pretty cool. And like I said, you got the 3 different guns right here. I probably won't show every single one of them, but you get the idea. You got the space ones right here for some crazy stuff. My favorite gun in any video game is the P90 right here. This here, man, I love this gun. I'm so happy to get this gun, and I'll show you who I'm going to give this gun to in a second. And you have an old school musket, I believe. This is kind of funny. I think this would be cool to put on like a Mickey Mouse or Donald Duck or even a turtle, Ninja Turtle or something. That's pretty cool. This one here, I don't know. I'm not sure about this one. I'm not saying I don't like it, but wish it had a little more color. I do like the bat wing or the wing, some wing for the hammer there for the gun. I mean, it's a cool gun. I just don't know. It's odd how, I think it can be a variety of things that you can mix and match with your figures, or 6-inch to 7-inch, because obviously there's a size difference right there, which is really cool. I mean, to have different sizes is definitely really cool. Look right here. I like this gun. This is a cool gun. This could go with I don't know, maybe the Hush. We'll look at him in a minute, maybe. This one here is a big one. That's a sniper gun. Now that's a sniper. I got the mag in the back here. Like I said, these are cool right out of the pack. You can use them just as they are, or you can weather them up. You can do whatever. You can put some wash on them or something. But right out of the pack, man. This one here goes with, I don't know which one. I'm assuming, I don't know. Let me see here. I believe it's this one. That's cool. Yeah, it is. Here we go. Look at this. Now, this fits in there, I believe. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Now that's cool. I like this. I really like this. This is a great pack, man. Unfortunately, there's not more companies doing these kind of things. And you know, here's a revolver. I wish they did, but little small revolver. That's more like a maybe 6-inch or 5-inch figure. You get away with using that one there, like C-3PO or something. I know C-3PO doesn't have a gun, but that's basically all of them. I want to, you know, you see them here. I didn't want to go too deep in looking at every single one, but You see what the pack comes with. This is a cool gun. Let's just get right into let's see how they look when they actually put them on the figure. First I have the Frank Castle as the Punisher, actually Superman and Batman body from the DC Multiverse. I made a custom Punisher. Can't come by Punisher too much nowadays, but I made my own 7-inch Punisher. And I gave him the old-fashioned looking gun with the dual barrels, the barrels on the dual barrels on the bottom of the gun. I thought that fit him pretty well, you know. So this is really cool. I'm going to let him keep this gun. The next one we have here is the Joker, the Why So Serious one, the Jokerizer one. Me and my daughter customized this one here, put it back to the normal color of his jacket, but we're not talking about that too much, so we're going to talk about the gun. I thought it'd be a cool gun for him to have. He holds it in his hand perfect. It's got the old school Joker colors in it. It's got the green and purple, and I think this particular figure would probably have a gun like this if it was readily available to him. The next one right here is my custom Hush figure. I just thought maybe the revolver there would suit him perfectly back in the day, and really quick, you know, henchman there with a really cool gun. It fits his hand perfect, as you can see right there. My favorite gun, the P90, if I can get him in frame, is with the Mortal Kombat variant with a Hush head sculpt. Just popped it on there, and I gave him the P90. Fits really well. You can see in his hands. Fits really nice. I think that's awesome. And there you go. I think that really looks cool. I was thinking about repainting him. I'm not sure yet, but Captain America repaint for me. This is the Ben Riley. I don't know. I can't remember. I just thought I wanted a Captain America / Deadpool / kind of a variant myself, and this is the Action Force. Came out of there to show you the difference, how maybe the Action Force set is better for the 6-inch line, but I like, this is one of my favorite customs I did, really nice and clean. But you can see how like I was saying, the Action Force line fits the 6-inch and the G.I. Joe. It'll work great for that too. Now this right here, there's not much to say. See what I mean? We got a variant turtle with a minigun. There's nothing else I can say. This here is a loss for words, but not my favorite. Let me show you my favorite. That's right here. Bert goes nuts with the machine gun, or the machine gun, going crazy. I don't know I should know. I should have looked up the name of the gun, but I didn't look. Right here is my favorite. I'm keeping it. This is it. So if you're looking for a nice gun pack for your figures that have a variety of different guns, this is the 1/10 scale. If I said it right the first time, I think I said 1/12. I probably said that wrong. But anyway, Bert right here, he's mad. I'm going to stop the video now before he starts getting too mad. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.